Okay, and account already started, just deposit some money on Bybit. Started on Binance, but I decided, okay, I'll use Bybit, which is superior. I already can see some opportunities. We're at 160 right now, and I know you guys saw me, trade big amounts like 5 grand, losses, wins, and so on. But the chances are just starting out. Let's get some hype in the chat. Say hi if you just joined in. If you are new, give me 1 second. Let me get some water. One sec. Hey, how's it going? Give me 1 second. First as usual, absolutely. Trying to find some opportunities right here. Waiting for the deposit to go into Bybit. If you want to follow me, every single trade I do, I'll do it on Bybit, so you can also open an account there if you like. There's a link for Bybit in the description down below. The link especially for $100. If you use Bybit and deposit $100, they'll give you $25 for free. I've got a contact there, May. She's called May, and she'll handle that. Oh, good, bro. I always look for your live stream. It makes me feel good. Thanks, man. It's always good. It's always fun. We've got a buying signal. I'll place a trade real quick. For Ethereum. I don't know why I can see the balance here. That should be 0.1 Ethereum. No, zero. It should be 5 Ethereum. Buy long. Okay, I can do that. Let me try it here. If you do market, okay, managed to start the trade. I don't know why it didn't work from the computer. 1 sec, just setting up the stream now. Also keep in mind, this is no financial advice. We are up already, which is great. I'm on the same account. Oh, you know what? I'm on the wrong account here. Give me 1 sec. That's why. I'm on the wrong Bybit account. We're up 20 bucks already. Look at this. Free signals. That's what I believe in. I don't want to charge you. I make money from trading. This is no financial advice, by the way. I'm a random dude on the internet. I just want to show you that it's possible. We'll try to grow a $100 account live. I'll do this every day. I'll try to stream every day and show you my results. If I get clean, you see that we're at 180 bucks right now. Basically started the trade right here. Let me set up some alarms because I definitely do not want to get wiped. I also want to place a stop loss. Let me figure out where that would be. it will be, again, if you want to join in, use the link in the description down below to sign up for Bybit. I'll also paste it somewhere around here and put it to the chat, I guess. So if you also deposit $100, you get a bonus. Hey Cosmin, how's it going? Let me just pin the message. Pin message. Message has been pinned. FEVR is pumping. In terms of tokens that I really like right now, FEVR obviously one of them. Polka Cipher as well. But let me just concentrate on the Ethereum trade. So again, we're trying to grow a $100 account. I'll probably do this every single day, probably a few times a day. I'll stream, give you free signals. Just sign up using my link because it helps me. It supports the channel. I'm sponsored by Bybit, and I gotta get deposits from them. And I want to show you that it's possible to get $100 and make it into the thousands, growing into the thousands. Something that I really need to do right here is place a stop loss. It's probably going to be here, 1960, probably. 1960 stop loss. Okay, so stop loss is here. Entered in here. We're already up $23 on this trade. Please share the stream with anyone you can, and let's see if we can grow this account to $1,000. Hello to everyone that just came in. Hey, Gayatri, sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Did I pronounce it right? Let me know. There's a movie that I want to watch, The Colony. Hey to everyone that just tuned in. Did you manage to get in from a YouTube notification or Twitter? Let me know, please. Or Telegram. We're up $20 on this trade. Let me also put my indicators here. I pretty much use the RSI, MACD, and I don't like how this looks. Maybe I'll change the blue one to green. Okay, that looks a lot better. Just hit the buying signal. And oh my, I don't like the setup. Can I fix this a little bit? By the way, this is a random email. Don't try to hack me or something. So that's good. Telegram. Oh, that's great. Gaia. Okay. Gayatri. Yeah. How are you guys doing today, guys and girls? Can I fix the I want to have this is way better. I don't know why. I just like it better. We're up only $12 now. It's printing some red candles. Open long, open shoulder. Okay, that's a little bit, that's easy. I don't think I need this. Probably put it here. How is this for your eyes? Is it bad? So $15 profit so far. We're up. We started with $100. We're at $185. Stop loss is at 116. We're going to be doing some momentum trading. Oh, Indian. Okay, that's great. I'm Bulgarian, by the way. Europe. Normally, I just wanted to. The idea is again to show you that this is possible. It's possible to grow a $100 account. That's why I have the promotion. If you deposit $100, they'll give you $25 for free as a bonus. I'm sponsored by Bybit, so I've got this arrangement with them, which I do believe is great. If you're just starting out. And yeah, let's see how that works out. We're up $30. The idea wouldn't be to just go super over risking. I mean, obviously now we are because it's $100. Yeah, me too. Only an Indian can recognize Indian names. Yeah, I can as well, because like most of you that are online right now are Indian, right? What is the time where you are? So 19, we're up 30 bucks on this trade so far. It's going to be an interesting day. So look, this is the reason, just some reasoning behind this trade. So let's make the 100 to 500. I agree. I'm in the US. Oh, that's great. It's very late there, right, West? It's probably like 3 4 a.m. in New York. 15:30. Yeah, 9. Oh, so it's lunchtime. It's 1 p.m. 3 minutes to 1 p.m. here. I'm in Lebanon. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I think we need to sell soon. So 54 RSI, basically a sell based on RSI. This is how I trade. If you are wondering. And the idea is to always trade with around 10 grand. So at the beginning, I didn't manage to get 10 grand. I'm using like 5-ish or something. But now I can do that because now I have $200. If I close this trade right now, we started at 100, pretty much doubled so far. This is super risky. Don't do this on your own. I'm just trying to provide as much value as I can. I'm from Bulgaria, 3 a.m. in the West Coast. Oh, that's great. It's very late. Luna, why are you staying up so late? I also had a bad day yesterday. I lost like 5 grand on the Ethereum short because Elon Musk. But I think I'll close this at 40 bucks profit. Let me check again. RSI is 53. Is it this? Yeah, 53. So it's pretty accurate because some exchanges don't have this accurately. How was your day so far? Up $23. Started dumping a little bit. Okay. Come on, give us one pump up and we will close this and wait for another entry. Again, if you want to trade the same way I am trading on Bybit, you can use my link in the description down below. I can probably do daily reports on how all of this is going. We managed to do this real quick, but just got done working not long ago. Oh, that's good. I'm glad you're relaxing on the stream. Let's see. I want to analyze the chart a little bit more. We are up $36. Okay, that's good. Actually, really good. It's decent. And I think we'll close any minute now. Any second now, I mean. The RSI is at 53. Can I get it to show a little bit more? The numbers here? I guess not. I'll just close this. This is enough. So we are at, oh, they took quite a bit of fees. How much was that in terms of fees? From, so they took like $10 worth of fees. Great video, want to learn how to trade. Oh, that's great. Did you have any idea about crypto airdrops? No, I don't really follow those. Like a lot of the good projects just don't do airdrops. What were the fees on this trade? I have a feeling they were quite high. Let's check Bybit versus Binance futures fees. Maker taker Binance futures 0. It should be less, right? Draw fees doesn't matter on support deposit managed. Yeah. Should be less, but I have a feeling. Okay, we sold right at the top. By the way, that's great. But I don't know why I got charged so much. Whatever. We are at the $188 starting from 100 so far, and the goal is to get to $1,000. Maybe it's gonna be super risky and hard. We'll see how that goes. We've got quite a bit of fees right now, but the fees are cheaper than Binance from what I can see. I'm looking into starting another trade in a little bit, and let's see how that goes. By the way, I'm investing in Polka Cipher. Still no more. I mean, it had some, a bunch of runner-ups. Someone bought 8 grand worth and so on, but then, someone sold 3 grand worth. Let's see how that works out. So the idea is to look for oversold and overbought conditions in the market in general. So I have some alarms on low and high RSIs. After that, I wait for a bunch of confirmations because I can't really risk it. I'm already risking it because I gotta use so much leverage to trade with $100. But in order to actually, where's the fees? Just spin out $23. Active conditional field. For here, sold here, yeah, quick flips. The idea is to get good flips. We're using high leverage, so we can't really afford losses, like especially in the beginning. So the idea is to wait for a lot of confirmation before I take trades. Again, I'm using Bybit. This is no financial advice. I'm sponsored by Bybit. I'm using my money to trade here. Deposit $100. First, we took the first 2 trades on Binance. Got to 160, now at $188. You can use my link in the description down below and in the pinned comment in the chat to use Bybit. Very transparent and try to provide as much value as I can when I'm doing this. So if you appreciate that, like the stream so more people can see it. We're waiting for again high or low RSI situation. We managed to pretty much sell here, which was pretty much the top of this formation. Now we're waiting for new entries. I know we probably won't get too many viewers because it's a weird time of the day for most of you. But I don't mind. I like you. I like all of you. And I really appreciate the fact that you're tuning in. What time it is for during the day or night for me. My goal here would be to yeah, only great entries. Like this is no mids. I mean, yeah, only great entries. Always let me know in the chat if I took something how, like the reason we lost 5 grand yesterday was from a trade we started, in the mid. Like it was a really, we were not patient enough. We started it, we pretty much shorted it on the FOMO instead of waiting for a few confirmations. We could have lost like at least 2 grand less. I mean, it was obviously going to be a losing trade, the Ethereum short, but we could have lost less. And also, I had an alarm that I didn't hear at night to close this trade. the Ethereum trade. So this is why it snowballed so much. Thanks to everyone that just tuned in. We just got 2 new likes, which is great. Please like the video if you're just tuning in. More aesthetic. Now it's more aesthetic, isn't it? Okay, let's see how that goes. Again, trading $100 account. Can someone from Africa enclave use Bybit? I think you can. Just try it out. Just click the link, try to sign up. Some people use it with a VPN. I mean, it's the best exchange to use for leverage trading. All the big cryptocurrency traders are using it. It has the lowest fees for futures. Okay, it's pumping really hard right now. BTC as well. So let's see how that works out for us. Realistically, short here would be a short. Okay, it was going to be a big move. $30. That's probably 1.5% with 50x. That's a huge move, actually. That's a huge move. If we can catch a monster move like this, that would be great. We'll try to do that. Thank you. 3 new likes. But 3 new likes. Thank you. I really want to catch just great entries. I'm waiting for this candle. Maybe we'll need 2 or 3 minutes more to see how this candle will go before we plan our next trade. It's gonna be interesting. It is going to be interesting. So far, we've taken 3 trades, 3 wins, 0 losses. Someone can document that. Maybe I'll write it in the chat so I don't forget. 3-0 so far. I do expect a winning streak, but I do expect a losing streak as well. Obviously, if we get a losing streak now, we'll probably get cleaned, which is not ideal. Still waiting to see something. You know what? I kind of like Bybit's platform because you don't have to spend money to have multiple charts, as opposed to TradingView. I'm paying like $20 a month for something there. Okay, we might have a sell order here, but it's kind of midway. I don't know if I want to take it. I don't know if I want to take it. Because now we might have a short confirmation, but we need more. I want an RSI moving average confirmation as well. So we have to wait for a few. Maybe if Ethereum pumps for 1 candle and then drops for 1, in 2 or 3 minutes, we can have another trade open. But yeah, that's gonna be interesting. So what piece am I getting? Can I see that on Bybit? So we pretty much, where is it? Hello, Luna. Is this you that messaged me on Telegram just now? So yeah, let's continue and see how this works out. Waiting for more confirmations. The market can be boring at times, but boring is good. It's better to wait for trades than rush them and then regret. Yeah, something I'm really wondering about is okay. Yeah, you can actually have multiple charts on Bybit without spending money from this setup right here, which is great. There's a lot of settings. What else can we check? Preferences, entire position, risk limits. What is this? Adjust Ethereum contract risk limits. Current value. I don't know. I don't want. There's that pop-up confirmation windows. I don't want that. We require second confirmation. I don't want that. Quick cancel. I don't want that. Quick cancel. Okay. I think my preferences are good. How much money you made this year? Quite a bit. It was a good year for all crypto investors. Any predictions on EverRise? Yep. I think it will pump. Rise. But the idea right now, the idea is, I mean, not, it's easy to make money when you have money, kind of, right? It's also easy to lose it, but hit the dollar in 2-3 years. Whatever. Oh, so the idea of this challenge is to grow a small account, because pretty much everyone can scrape around $100 and trade with it. So the idea is to start, you know, the same way you can start, but you start with the 125, because if you deposit $100 using my link in the description for Bybit, they'll give you $25 on top. So if you can grow $100 account into $1,000 accounts, maybe you can keep 200 and follow, you know, my free signals that I'll do, because I'll probably continue doing this challenge, and use the rest to buy other tokens. EverRise right now is doing great. The Kraken has 1.6 mil. It's just some big selling orders being filled. I don't know why people are selling 12 grand and stuff like that. This is the reason why we're crashing 9 grand. Someone got out for 50k or something, or 30k in this candle, which is obviously not great, but it is what it is. It's still super bullish. It's just the people got scared here, wait for the Kraken, and the momentum after it take their money out. Okay, still waiting for confirmations. We might have some confirmation. I don't know if that's ideal. I think I'll wait a little bit more. Before I start, what about Genius Coin? That's a good question. Genius Coin is oops, clicked on the Telegram profile. So what about Genius token? Okay, we'll check it out. I just want to see what bits he will do, because I'm seeing I'm kind of interested in shorting this. Maybe it's not the greatest idea though, but I will short this. Actually, know what I want. I'll skip that. Genius token. I'll check this out. Last month I made 5 grand from Pink Panda, but it went down after, but I sold already when I was at top. Oh, that's really good. I talk about Pink Panda a lot. It was a great token, but most tokens go up and down. TVL in shibaswap is down about 289. Yeah, everything, like the whole market is fearful. That's normal. I would say that's pretty normal. Genius token. Let's check it out. Again, by the way, in my opinion, this is the best token right now. In FEVR, but PolkaCypher is doing great. Because we are buying it at a cheaper price. It was at, you know, the IDO or something. It was at 117. I can see this being the next FEVR, like a 5, 10, 20x from here. So that's gonna be interesting. I made a video on this yesterday. Genius coin. I think I checked it out. It was on CoinMarketCap, right? 3 days ago. It's going for the all-time high. People, oh, that's actually good. This was actually a little bit higher than this. Let's check it on the. Let's do some technical analysis for Genius coin. Let's see how that's going. While we're waiting to take another entry. So 1 minute chart, I don't think that's the best way to look at it. Probably the 4 hour, and I also want to do the RSI, and I want to change the blue line to green, and yeah, there's not enough length for the 4 hour. Let's check the 30 minutes. Waiting for a pump in KC pair. Well, yeah, it's very weird they didn't have a pump yet, but it's actually a super hot token, like any way you look at it. But they're just better tokens right now. I think KC pad, you just gotta hold longer. Yeah, the technicals can't really tell us anything. We can definitely see bullish momentum, right? We're definitely trying to buy in that. But a very important thing for Genius coin is to actually go above this mid, you know, after pump all-time high. You know, people taking profits from the pre-sale. So it's really important to break this. And if we do that, we can then chase the all-time high after a little bit. So that's what I think about KCC pad right now. I'm happy that so far. I was also looking at Coin 98. I'm checking what tabs I have open because I was thinking about buying it, but the only token that I actually got into from the new ones was PolkaCypher. The fundamentals are super strong. Think you look Binance Apes token? Nope. What's interesting about it? Let us know. Pitches, the token. We've got a sell signal here, but it's a little stretched. Maybe it's not the greatest trade. PolkaCypher is up a lot again. I just got an alert. Is this an old alert? PolkaCypher, here it is. Oh yeah, it's pumping. It's pumping up. I think I'll sell it. I think I'll quickly do a short 50. Or not. What? What are you talking about? Okay, we played some shorts right here. Let's also add a stop loss. The stop loss will probably be at 2020. Stop loss 2020. So we just started another trade. Will EverRise lose a 0? Hopefully it does. That's a 10x. I mean, it's a 10x project. Futures versus holding coin, which is best, sir? It depends. Let's try it out. Let's see what we can do with this $100. Okay, I think that I messed up a little bit. I think I took too much risk on this trade. The liquidation is too close. Why is that so? 19. The liquidation is 2007, so I gotta put a stop loss at 2000, I guess. Maybe even, and yeah, we'll probably just take profit. Oh, we're dumping. We're dumping really healthy right now. 23 bucks up. We're at $197 from 100. Let's close the, what is it? $55. So this was the open. Yeah, this is the beginning. I think we can definitely dip a little bit. At least a little bit. Not a lot, but at least a little bit. On Ethereum, Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin dipped and then just rebounded. It's unfortunate, I guess. The real drop on here is a 23 RSI, or let's call it 25. Setting an alarm for Ethereum. So again, we're short Ethereum using Bybit. If you sign up using my link, first link in the description down below, you get $25 bonus if you deposit $100 like me, which is probably great. So let's see how it goes. Right now, we're trying to take only the best trades we possibly can. This wasn't the best trade, definitely not. I'm trying to analyze how it performed here on a similar moving average, so kind of midway, mid-ish RSI. And I'm not happy with what I'm seeing, to be honest. This was also it. Yeah, definitely want to do only the best trades that we possibly can do, because one loss we'll lose most of our capital. We just have one loss. I think I'll move the stop loss to 99, just something like this, because I don't really want to lose a lot of money. Maybe 90, 95 from these trades. Just want to do scalp as much as possible right here. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let me know in the chat if you managed to also short Ethereum at this rate. Okay, that looks good. We've had this confirmation. Can I draw? Yeah, I can. This is the way to draw, by the way, on PoolCoin as well. You have a button right here that you can open to actually start drawing. On the chart right now, what we are seeing is a Okay, that's a small rebound, but the reason I took the trade was this confirmation and this descent from low RSI, from RSI wise, but we have a few concerns here. First, we didn't hit a high RSI level. Normally, I would wait for it's like $40 or something. So $58, which is not a lot. We're already up a lot today, so we can lose like 5 of these trades and still be good. A lot of us are new and learning. We all know it's a risk, but you know more than we know. And try to answer your question, please. A lot of us don't ask even know what RSI. Oh, okay. Let me know any questions that you have, and I'll let you know. Keep in mind that I'm also a random dude. I just did some research, and this is what I found. So just help you out the best way I can. RSI is Relative Strength Index. It's one of the best indicators, this and MACD, but you can't use it alone. I mean, when RSI is super high or super low, when it's super high, chances are, like short term, there's a drop. If it's super low, short term, there's might be a pump. But I mean, you can just use it on its own. Otherwise, you know, just bots would just use that and take any high and low RSI possibility. You want to combine it. For example, right here we had low RSI, and that after that we had a pump, high RSI dump, right? I'm using the 1 minute chart, high RSI here, then we dump here. So if you're trying to use RSI, you can definitely get some good trades going. But you have to pair it up with something else. For example, this trade that I just took wasn't that great because I pretty much took it at 40 RSI. But I do believe that we are super extended on Ethereum. I was there when you bought EverRise for 6K. I watched the EverRise video and is a big fan. Thank you, Silver. Yeah, well, EverRise is one of the greatest projects. There's also more projects. I mean, I don't want to just preach about one project. There's a lot of good projects. You're a random dude with a lot of knowledge. Thank you. Yeah, there's a lot of good projects. We all gotta, I mean, the information is out there. You can just do your own research, but definitely like this trading is really risky what we're doing right now, because the amount of leverage we gotta take on to grow this $100 account into a $1,000 account, obviously it's probably not going to be the leverage you would use if you're growing a 10 grand account or 100 grand account or 5 grand account, maybe. If you're crazy like me, maybe you would, but normally you shouldn't. Can you actually, you know, no, you can't. I think on Binance you could just move stop losses like this. But Bybit has like 2 times less fees. Just see the fee structure. So Bybit has maker taker. Bybit has 0.075, so that's 1, and they're charging you basically double the amount of fees. So you probably know I'll never use Binance for futures trading. Again, I'm trying to concentrate on EverRise. I'm not sure. I need your opinion. I think you should diversify. I mean, EverRise is good to hold, but then it can get boring if you just have one token, holding one token. The cool thing about, for example, PolkaCypher doesn't have a lot of fees. This is why these swings are happening on PolkaCypher, because you can get in and out of trades and be good. Because you don't have, like, I bought in here yesterday. It pumped, no, I actually bought in here. It dumped, pretty much doubled in price. So people bought in here, for example, buy in for $1,000, sell for $2,000, and get no fees. So you can swing trade this. You can buy here, sell here, you know, buy back here, wait for another pull up. So this is why we're getting this pump and dumps and pump and dumps. This is something similar is happening on the RBD because people are swing trading these tokens. We're up $4 on this trade. Let's see how that works out. Thanks to everyone that managed to tune in so far. By the way, I really appreciate it. I uploaded 6 videos today. I don't know, did you manage to watch all of them? I decided, well, let's try to upload a lot of videos. Plus this stream, that's basically 7 videos. I think we'll have a dump short term. Now, thank you for the new likes that we got in the chat. I know we won't get a lot of views at this time zone, but I know we can get some views. How long you're holding Rise for? I would want it to break the all-time high. And yeah, that's what I would want. I want to break the all-time high and probably get 20-30% above that. That would be good. If it can 5-10x, that would be good as well. What does derive act means by Bybit? Derivatives. It's basically futures. It's basically futures. All you gotta do is click derivatives and switch to Ethereum USDT. And you can start trading, Joshua. By the way, hey, welcome to the stream. You tuned in last stream, right? Maybe, yeah. I wanted to maybe buy new tokens later tonight. Later today. It's 1 p.m. here. Later today, I want to buy some new tokens. By the way, we are at $184. Basically, this trade, which is $7,000 USDT worth, cost us around $10 from what I can see to open. What does I'm a truck driver and I drove 11 hours a day. I'm in all your videos. I've seen all your videos. Oh, thank you. At least twice. Thank you. Thank you. Do you watch while you're driving? That's a little bit dangerous. Oh, I'm glad, Joshua. Yeah. Let's see how we perform here. Yeah, it's gonna be a weird day. It's pretty slow because United States isn't awake. I want to quickly go to the toilet. Give me like a minute or two. Hopefully nothing major happens in 1 minute. See you in 1 minute. I am back. I'm gonna get some coffee, mate. I'm making some coffee in the meantime. Thank you to everyone that is waiting. Sir, we are very glad to get videos from you. Thank you. Yeah, still waiting to see what's going on. BTC is very, very silent right now, but it's looking like it's gonna do a short dip, small quick dip that we want to take advantage of. I'm not sure I completely like the, what is this? What is this signal? Never seen this. Huh. Ethereum Bybit, but what is this? Okay, whatever. So we're dipping a little bit, which is great. Thank you for the new like. No, I listened. The only ones I watched are the ones you took in your car on vacation. Okay, that's good. Polka Cipher. Oh, Polka is... Oh, look at that. During the stream as well. We are pumping Polka Cipher. It's up like 10%. Let me just quickly make coffee. But yeah, Bitcoin is dumping. Bitcoin is dumping and we need to close the trade really soon. We gotta close the Ethereum trade really soon. Still making coffee. Sorry for the loud noise, but I need coffee. Polka Cipher doing great. Oh, this got bought up. Can I reset the chart? I don't think it's a little bit different. Can I make the chart maybe a little... No. Okay, that's a little bit better, I guess. And I'll also move this. I'll also move this. Probably gonna move... Okay, now we're down. It's gonna move this. No, I can't move this. I need it. Okay. I decided to pump. What about ADA? ADA is just following Ethereum and Bitcoin right now. You're just following Ethereum and Bitcoin right now. What country are you in? Bulgaria, in Europe. Okay, that's it. That's an interesting candle. We have a stop loss, by the way. We have very tight stop loss, pretty much here. You can see it here. Maybe we will get hit and we'll lose 60 bucks. We're still up. Almost ready with my... I'm making, you know, Graham Stevens is making 20-cent iced coffee. I'm making 30,000 Shiba Inu iced coffee. That's the equivalent. 30 cents. Thank you to the new people that are watching the stream right now. Means a lot. Okay. Let me... Oops. Messed up a little bit. We are waiting for Bitcoin mainly. Ethereum's getting more, getting stronger buying pressure right now. That's why I shouldn't have taken this trade midway. But you know, you learn. Okay, that's enough ice for now. By the way, something cool, if you are new to the channel, is I actually have a free Telegram chat, like actually free, where if you want to learn about my new trades during the day, I can post there, if that's okay with you. You can see it in the link in the description down below. If you want to trade the same way I trade, you probably can make as good coffee as I can, but you can trade the same way I trade. Use Bybit. There's a link for Bybit in the chat and in the description down below. Bybit has 2 times lower fees than Binance. I don't know if you understand how cheap it is compared to Binance. And is the easiest way to trade crypto with the lowest fees possible. And you can get $25 if you use my link in the description down below. If you start with $100, just like I did on this account, the coffee is ready. Thank you. We got 1 new like. I just asked for this last video. Oh, hopefully it helps them. Big Lord is free. We start with $100. We are at 150 because we're down $15 on this trade. We might lose this trade from what I'm seeing. The structure here isn't great, but it's also not, I can't say it's a bullish structure per se. But yeah, it was probably a rust. I mean, we shorted this, should have stopped here, quick profit, and re-entered. Hello, Bharat Kumar, how's it going? Have you took a look at shibaswap liquidity pool? Dropped like 70%. I know. I don't think it's good, but people are getting out of... the market is super fearful right now. Like super fearful. I don't know why people are getting out of the liquidity pool. Is it because they just took their profits or something? I would mostly buy Shiba Inu to day trade it, by the way, to be honest, not to hodl it. Doing great. Oh, that's good. It's great. Glad to hear. Thank you for the new like. We're at 14 likes. Can we get 20? We're 18 people in the chat. We can get 20 likes. Come on, let's do that. Yeah, that's not looking great. But at the same time, you don't know. We don't know. Maybe we can have, you know, ups and downs here, ups and downs, like this. We can trade like this. Stop loss is here. For the future trade, is not good for long term. If you already bought it, yes, I think. But there's better projects. Oh, we got some new people. Hello to the 4 new people. We're 17 viewers now. We're 21. I think there's better options out there. Definitely better options out there. But yeah, we are at 158 from $100. Oh, I got a new promotion offer from Bybit. Look at this. You can make every... What? There's a lot of bonuses. There's a lot of bonuses right now. If you deposit $1,000, no, if you deposit $600, you get $20 from Bybit. This is really good. I think I'll just deposit 6 grand or something. For 6 grand, I'll get $200 bonus. That's insane. Great work, FEVR. Yup, it was. Decreps getting out of Shiba after the listing pumps. Yup, exactly. I mean, everyone will get out there. So you gotta be very, very careful to be able to get out at the top there. Just my opinion. What else? What's interesting? We're down $20 from this trade. 158, 154. We got charged $10 to enter it. But I guess it's pretty normal. Do you guys and girls use MetaMask on Trust Wallet? Please let me know. Good afternoon, T Brown Brownie. How's it going? Do you guys and girls use MetaMask or Trust Wallet? Just wondering. But yeah, we definitely should have waited. Could have gone on a better entry. It's probably gonna pump to here. Probably gonna pump 10 more dollars. More good price to invest for long term. Absolutely Polka Cipher and FEVR. Absolutely both of them. Especially if you wait for FEVR for a dump. That's gonna be good. But yeah, that's a small profit taking. If it dumps here, maybe it will be a good point to enter. Here or here, if it dumps for a little bit. I've been using Trust. Yeah, Trust Wallet is good. I don't know, just like MetaMask better. And it's really easy to integrate as well. I think I'm not using Trust Wallet because MetaMask is easier to use on an iPhone. Oh, good man, using Trust Wallet. Yeah. Is it? I mean, what? Is there a way to take profit on Trust Wallet? Is there a way to set up profit? Take profit? Okay, Janos. Okay, so that's interesting. Most of you guys are using Trust Wallet. I started with Trust Wallet, but I'm just using MetaMask now. Trust Wallet, yeah, everyone's Trust Wallet. Thank you. We got a few new likes. We're at 19 likes. I asked you at 13 or 14. Thank you. We got like 5 new likes. I'm Android, yeah. Trust Wallet, you had to enable, the apps to use it on our iPhone, but I think a lot of these things are just disabled right now. So I'd rather just use MetaMask for the time being. Sir, please don't mind, but can you please zoom on the chart screen? Oh, that's gonna be hard. It's gonna be really, really hard. Because, going to try Meta then. We're good. If you're using Trust Wallet, don't use Meta. There's no point. What is the best price to buy Cypher at right now? I bought Cypher. Look, I bought Cypher. Didn't manage to buy. I pretty much bought Cypher here. Then it dumped here. So I'm pretty much down on Cypher because I bought in here or here. Maybe I'm even right now. So right now is a good place to buy. If you're buying right now, you buy it where I bought it in, basically at. Look at these bots. Buy for 2458, sell for 74. Made $15. Are these bots or traders? Do you know? Testing liquidity. Buy, sell. Works on iPad as well. Yep, it does. Yeah, Ethereum is pumping. We are down $27. Should have waited for the RSI confirmation as well. Still up $46 for the day. But we might erase some gains from this trade. Something that I want to do is average up or down, but I probably don't need that. I can just use stop losses, I guess, on these trades. Oh, we got some new likes and new viewers. Hello to everyone just tuned in. Say hi in the chat. Really appreciate it. Peak was $180, by the way, if you're wondering. Started building an account today. From $100, we're probably gonna get hit by the stop loss now. Now we will have, like, if you want to short it right now, it's not the greatest idea right now. We had a confirmation here. We had a small dip, didn't manage to sell. I don't know why I didn't sell. Probably because of RSI. Then after this, it's gonna do something like this right here, which is not great. This is what happened there. This lag is never good trading. Like never ever good. You want clear confirmations. And to get a clear confirmation right now, we'll need a sharp drop of $10. What is the best crypto to buy it? What is the best price to buy Ethereum at? If you want to hold it for the long term or short term, Bharat. The best price is always a dip, but I want to see how the market will react to the B word. BTC is up a lot. I'm just gonna alert for BTC. It's at 70 RSI. I just what I'm interested in is how the market react from the B word talk show, you know, from the B word episode yesterday with Katie Wood and Elon Musk and all the other people are attending, because that pretty much pumped the price. Plus Ashton Kutcher tweet, I already made a video on that. Maybe you've seen it on the channel. Made a whole video on it because you really need to know about it. I will try to do 10 videos a day for a while. If you guys and girls can like and join in every video, maybe we can continue to do that. We got the Ashton Kutcher news. He bumped. It was really funny. You should watch it. Long term, if you want to buy Ethereum, long term, wait for a small dip and buy it if you can hold it for a long time. But it's hard to hold crypto for a long time. Like sometimes we'll say, okay, we'll hold this for a year, and after 1 week you're already bored out of it. So I really believe in winter bull run, ending in March, April 2022. If we survive September, we might do that. All depends on September. I think that having a slower bull run now can result in a bull run in continuing to December. If Bitcoin just hits 40k by end of September, super slowly, like super slowly, just doing this 40k. Maybe okay, end of August we break out of 40k, and then 40-50k takes 2-3 months, the same way 30 to 40k was. If that takes long enough, and then we get 50 to 60k November, December probably, that's gonna be the best thing. Like BTC dominance is gonna, if we have this, BTC dominance will go down. The market won't be fearful. We'll have altcoin season. This is the best thing that can happen to the crypto market. Did you take a look at Genius token? Yep, I did, Manus. I did, and I charted it. But let me look it up again for you, and share my thoughts on it. If you want me to look at a particular token, just let me know in the comment section. Now, keep in mind that this is not financial advice. Like, I can be wrong. This momentum is definitely really good. Like, this momentum is definitely really, really good. But let me check these sell orders. They're not loading. There's not a lot of buy and sell orders. And market cap is at 25 mil. There's a sell or buy order every 20 minutes. That's not great. I can't see any big volume. Like the volume is pretty dead. And the only time we had volume was 2 days ago. Can someone explain that? Or 3 days ago? This is what I kind of don't like. It's somewhat of a red flag. Like somewhat of a red flag. I just like PokerCypher better. Look at PokerCypher. You're getting it at cheaper than the price. It was the sale started at 17. Now it's at 14. Want to get out of Shiba? Where to sell off? At the Ethereum listing. It can pump a lot. It's gonna be a mistake dumping before that, in my opinion. I mean, it's always risky, but if you can get a sell around an event, that's better. Give me 1 sec. Gotta take this. Okay, I'm here. So BTC and Ethereum 70 RSI. alert a few minutes ago, and it dumped from that. We're only down 18 bucks now on these trades, which is great. I'll be pretty happy if we can do if I can. What do you guys and girls want to see this into a daily series, like every day, even when I'm on vacation, making a video on how this $100 balance is? Maybe I can even check in more, you know. When I was doing the 5 grand risk trades yesterday, I can, you know, check in 5-10 grand into the account and see how that's going. What happened? But Gayatri, you're retracting the message. Oh, good. Let's see the structure again. Oh, we have a sell signal here. Very good segment. Oh, that's good. That's looking great. Super positive now. Super happy about this. That's a sell signal right there. We're gonna dump. Where did we buy in again, man? I think we bought in here. 81? Was it 81? 79. So we just got the sell signal, which means we can probably get a good trade out of this. Maybe I can have the 39 RSI. Okay, that's good. We're dumping. Told you that was a sell signal. Not in your holidays. But okay, but my plan is, as Niki said, at the Ethereum listing, don't think it will hit 18. But pretty, yeah, it will probably drop slowly. It really depends on Bitcoin as well. Not during holidays, but yeah, I will try to do it on holidays as well. I did that on in the car. I don't know if you watched any of these videos. Let me know in the chat if you did. Sure, bro. We appreciate your content. Thank you, Lapsio. Did you manage to watch any of these videos? I was in my car at, like, you know, 5 a.m. recording videos just like this. Nobody knows for sure. But look at this. So when I'm on vacation, I can do this as well. I already did it. The FEVR token. Okay, that's before I went on vacation. This is, I think, in my... No, that's not. We had some videos that were in my... in the kitchen of my aunt. RBT went up 4 times. Really cool. I regret not selling at the top, by the way, to be honest, at 220 bucks. Because we bought at $50 when I made this video. There's an issue with Shiba always drags. Yeah. Thanks for the info. Sir, once if possible, the crypto world, please copy and search the username in Telegram, please, sir. Why? Oh, is this your Telegram username? That's the issue with Shiba, always drags everything. Yup. Oh, we got a BTC alert. What happened? Forgot to sell. What? Ah, come on. I think we missed the trade. BTC dropped a lot, but Ethereum is lagging 10 RSI. It should have dropped $5 or $6 more. Come on, because I might just miss this trade. It's not looking good. I'll try not to sell below 30, unless we get 30 RSI. Thoughts on gold and Doge? It's already 2x. I won't buy Doge tokens right now. Because Doge is doing good because of Elon Musk and saying people are tired of Doges. Like I have no idea how we 3 or 4x on cousin Doge. We pretty much got the top, and no Doge. We got the top on both of those. Like literally we sold at the top. Like if I wasn't awake at 5 a.m. I was gonna lose. I was gonna be down. What happened with my screen? Oh, thank you, Team Brownie, for tuning in. Something happened with my screen. Let me try to fix that. Okay, I know how to do that. I hope I do. Should be something like this. Okay, and I should also have this. Okay, now it should be good. Okay, so what the buying signal? There's no buying signal here. Oh, because it just flipped from 30 RXI. Yeah, that's not good because normally they're pretty accurate. Not always, but sometimes. Um. Oh man, I should have bought here. I mean, I should have opened the short here, not where I opened it at. Probably even right now, $6 down. Already 2x. Yes, Crypto War is my Telegram channel. Please shout out. Check out the Crypto World's Telegram channel. By the way, do you have a Twitter? I'll shout it out. Doge is all hype. Yup, it is. But like all crypto, like hype is an important part of crypto in general. Niki, what about Pulse Chain? I love it. Pulse Chain. Seems good. Doge, Doge, new meme coin. I wouldn't buy meme coins right now. It's such a fearful market. Because I lost money. Like we made money on some, but I lost like 5 or 10 grand in the last 2 weeks on meme coins. I'm so happy I didn't buy into baby CZ. I was wondering about it. And in the next day was a rug pull. I'm so glad I didn't put money in because I was gonna put like normally I put 1.5 to 2 grand, sometimes 4 or 5, like on FVR, RBT, EverRise. Oh no, we're getting a pump here. This is gonna be a constant battle. Your thoughts on Pulse? I think it's an okay coin, but again, I would mainly buy, like right now, my best pick will be PokerCypher. And I'm just saying this because I bought in. I looked at a lot of tokens to choose this one to put money into. Like, if I thought that Pulse was better, I was gonna put money in Pulse. PokerCypher is the best token right now, in my opinion. Not their Twitter, sir. If that is possible, please shout out. Okay, check out the Crypto World with Double D Telegram channel. Let me just explain why PokerCypher is such a great project. Cross-chain Oracle focused towards NFT privacy for business, community governance, multi-chain, data protection, and the projects, like the projects have real use cases. All of them are really good. You're getting in at a discount, which is great always, right? TRS US Trust, an ecosystem where you can lend, stake, mine token. That's good. E-data, secured specialized vaults that can be accessed through the NFTs as a key. That's insane. BNFTs is also very interesting. I check that out. Cypher DEX and super stable. All of this is something we need on the market right now. And you're also buying PokerCypher at a discount, which is good. Not Niki, please make a video on Pulse Chain so the community can make dollars. Everyone's into Pulse Chain, right? Maybe I will. I'll look into it. I'm a little tired right now. Can you hear me? Yeah, I think you can. I'm a little tired right now. If I think I'll go off the street. Oh, we're dumping. Look at that. We're up now. Oops. Look at this beautiful mass. It's happening right now. We might have to close the trade soon. But we are up again. We are 3-0 so far. Please keep me accountable. We are 3-0 so far on this trading count. 3-0. It's pretty good, I would say. Is this the end? I think we can dump a little bit more. One more push. Do it for pop. 37 RSI. Why does it say 31 RSI here? And oh, because it's futures. That's why. That's why. Yeah. Futures RSI is pretty accurate. Tell you that. You know what? I think I'll open up the I'll do this. BTC USDT on Bybit. You can get the Bybit one. USDT Bybit. Oh, did I have to do M Ethereum USDT, or let me check the ticker. M Ethereum Bybit. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if that's the correct one. M Ethereum crypto Bybit. Come on. Bybit. Okay, BTC USDT, adding that and Ethereum. Okay, adding those two, and I'll add them at the boom. Ethereum. Shut up. Like this. And we're all good. Ethereum. And here they are. So 45 RSI, that should be the accurate one, right? Yeah, 48. Okay, it's pretty much. We're down $8 now. By the way, there's a free Telegram chat that you can join. If I go out of the stream, which might happen in a little bit, please just join in there. I'll tell you when I buy and sell there, like all day for free. I don't charge anything for that. I don't charge for signals. I make money from trading. But yeah, if you can use Bybit and support the channel from the link, I would appreciate it. There's a link in the description down below. Love your channel, great work and great advice. Many thank you so much, Alex. I think I gotta head off because I'm a little tired right now. I drank some really nice iced coffee, but yeah, we've been training for an hour and 20 minutes in a pretty dead time zone. But I can probably stream maybe in a few hours again and see how that works out. If the video helped you out, like, subscribe, no financial advice. Love you guys and girls. Have fun.